Japanese sesame sauce and very unique variations. And I'm very excited about today's session because once you make one first base of sesame sauce, you can make multiple kind of sesame sauce and dressing from it, and that makes your life so much easier. Okay, so the first sauce is your best friend for today. We have sugar and sesame paste and soy sauce. Super simple, just 3 ingredients. And just because soy sauce is liquid and sesame paste is very oily, you need whisk to emulsify. So this is it for Goma-dare. So now we have the base of Goma-dare, and this can be for any dishes too. But let's say next day you still have the Goma-dare, and if you want to make a little bit of a twist, it's super simple. Add rice vinegar. Whisk it to emulsify it again. And so now you're making vinegary Goma-dare. And it is very unique, but I would recommend to have some like shrimp cocktails, like American shrimp cocktails, but the dipping sauce can be this one.